Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel. In our previous episode, we were exploring the historical city of Multan and its incredible cuisine. And today, we're traveling again for another food adventure, and this time, it will be to the cultural heart of Pakistan, the vibrant city of Lahore. Lahore has a population of over 11 million people, is known as the City of Gardens. This city is also known for its rich culture and lively atmosphere, and of course, its amazing food. Lahore is approximately 340 kilometers from Multan, and it takes about 4 to 5 hours to get here by car or 6 hours by bus. So join me as we dive into the best dishes this city has to offer. And let's get started. Our first dish will be a breakfast dish called Siri Paaye. Siri Paaye is a traditional Pakistani dish that has its roots in the rich culinary heritage of Punjab. The name Siri Paaye translates to head and feet, referring to the main ingredients used in this dish, which is mainly goat feet. It is particularly popular in Lahore and is commonly enjoyed as a hearty breakfast dish. The preparation of Siri Paaye is a slow and meticulous process. The head and feet are thoroughly cleaned and then boiled for several hours to tenderize the meat and extract the rich marrow and gelatin from the bones. The resulting broth is thick and flavorful. The dish is cooked with a mix of onions, tomatoes, and a blend of spices, including red chili powder, coriander powder, and garam masala. And of course, when you order it, they will prepare a very nice and fresh bread. It was a nice and unusual breakfast, but it was fulfilling and super tasty. I'd rate Siri Paaye a 9 out of 10 for its deep, comforting flavors and the meticulous preparation that results in an incredibly satisfying and hearty dish. And the second dish of today is chicken tawa. Chicken tawa is a popular Pakistani dish, particularly famous in Lahore, known for its bold flavors and vibrant presentation. It is typically prepared on a large, flat metal griddle called a tawa, which allows for even cooking and enhances the smoky flavor imparted by the searing process. Chicken tawa is prepared by first marinating the chicken pieces with yogurt, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt. The marinated chicken is then seared on a hot tawa with a drizzle of oil or ghee until it is golden brown and cooked through. Next, finely chopped chilies, thinly sliced onions, and a blend of spices including garam masala, cumin seeds, and coriander powder are added to the tawa. The mixture is cooked on high heat, allowing the flavors to intensify and the sauce to thicken. The dish is savory and aromatic, with the garam masala and coriander powder providing depth to the overall taste. I'd rate chicken tawa a solid 8.5 out of 10 for its bold flavors, tender chicken, and the authentic cooking method that gives it a unique smoky essence. And our last dish of today is fried rohu. Fried rohu is a popular Lahori dish. It's deep fried to crispy perfection. It is known for its simplicity and delicious flavors, making it a favorite among seafood enthusiasts. The fish pieces are first marinated with ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, and a blend of spices including red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, and salt for almost 2 hours. When it's marinated, the fish absorbs the flavors and becomes tender. The coated fish pieces are then deep fried in hot oil until they turn golden brown and crispy on the outside. Fried rohu offers a delightful contrast of textures with its crispy exterior and tender, flaky fish inside. The spices impart a robust flavor to the fish, while the gram flour coating adds a slight nuttiness and crunch. The only downside is that there are bones in it. I'd rate fried rohu an 8 out of 10 for its crispy texture, well-balanced spices, and the delicious flavor of the rohu fish. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more food adventures across Pakistan. We'll be exploring more cities and their incredible cuisines, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching and see you next time.